Pros and cons on using aluminium window grill in your house. Dear friends, have you tried using aluminium window grills? Window grills are the gratings that are done for windows and can act as a divider or barrier. It can also be created to be used as a simple decoration for your house's windows. A window grill can be made up from different materials such as stone, metal or wood. Although the use of grill for windows has been utilized ever since the ancient times, there has been an increased demand for window grill work because of different reasons. Benefits of window grills. Your house needs to be protected from any harm. This is why installing window grills is very important. It serves as a protective covering that protects the window's breakable glass. They are designed in such a way that they are raised off the surface of the window, making them not easily accessible to burglars from the outside. They can't even cut through the window grills, especially if they are made from hard metals. Advantages of using aluminium window grill. There are a number of good reasons why aluminium window grills are perfect for your home. This grill work does not only serve as a decoration to your house, but also helps in securing your home from robbers. Metal grills or aluminium grills, in particular, are strong and hard, which makes it impossible to get through. They act as a protection for your home. Now, you must be able to understand why aluminium window grills are great for your home. It's affordable. Aluminium is one of the metals that are more affordable. Its affordability is because it can be easily drawn, cast, extruded, and machined. Durability and lightweight. Among other metals, aluminium is considered as lightweight and durable, which makes it appropriate to be used for houses. This is the reason why a lot of residents are using aluminium window grills for their house. It's rust-proof. Aluminium, unlike iron, does not easily corrode when it is in contact with water. This makes it the best material used for homes since atmospheric moisture and rain would not have negative reaction with aluminium, which prevents it from rusting. Low maintenance. Compared to other metals like iron, aluminium windows maintenance cost is relatively low. Iron needs costly maintenance, and the mere fact that it is prone to rusting makes it highly expensive. Other metal window grills need to undergo methods such as painting, galvanization, and electroplating to prevent them from rusting and to maintain their good condition. Non-magnetic metal. Being a non-magnetic metal, it does not ignite easily. Also, when fire breaks out, you can easily control it because aluminium is not easily ignited. Disadvantages of using aluminium window grills. Like any other metals, using aluminium for window grills also has its disadvantages. Here are some of them. Aluminium's color and appearance. Yes, aluminium can come in different colors, but the only downside is that you cannot paint them further. Repainting it is not recommended because it is extruded and is not easy to shape. There are many people who opt for iron grill because of its classic look, and it can easily be matched with the vinyl of your window. Energy inefficient. Aluminum is known as an inefficient insulator. An aluminium window grill will transfer the temperature, especially during cold months, which makes it very cold to touch. This is because aluminiums are thinner compared to iron and other metals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.